Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, the 20th of June 2014, we're going to look at the CFDs, gold, SPX500, US30, German 30, and US oil on the daily chart with the Elliott wave analysis. Before we start, let's kick off and start with the disclaimer. Go through it, read it at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine. So now let's kick off to some charts. The gold. This is our main count. As you have noticed, we've had to rejuggle and our waves. If I can show to you, we've had a violation of our wave 4, which we had marked down previously. This is how it was marked off prior, before this strong push up. So what we've actually done, we've actually moved our wave 2. There's the 1, 2 of the primary, of the intermediate, to this level, to the 61.8, and still keeping intact our wave count. So therefore, on the larger wave degree, we're in a C wave, A, B, C wave, off a cycle which is black in brackets, no in brackets. There's A, B, C, and its subwaves are the primary 1, 2, 3. So in the third wave off a C wave, and when we break that down further, we're looking to be in a 1, 2, third wave off a of a intermediate, which is green and in brackets. Okay, also we have an alternative viewpoint to look at this movement down. We can see it as a triangle, and there's 0, A, B, C, D, E, and then the E is measured downwards, and we can take our distance as a triangle distance and head for this particular level, 1115.18. Breaking that within, we can actually see in ABC corrections all the way, ABC, 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 and so on. So we're now waiting for that push to go up. We've done the A, go down for the B. Once we hit the B, we're going to go down and take that larger wave out, completing the C and completing the E move, and then we can start to see our movement downwards. Up to you how you want to trade it, traders. Aggressive traders will take it just at the very high here and bring it all the way down. We can put our stop loss just above this line here, and then ride it all the way down, or we can take a entry based on a break of a trend line or break of this line, wait for price to break, come down, and then retest it again, and then take it down again. Or what we could do, we could look for a break at this level here of this line, which will give us the necessary significance, because that, if you notice, is the C and the B line taken out. Okay, fine. So that was the alternative wave count 1. Moving now to the SPX500. Once again, we've got to reiterate, this is the CFD following the S&P 500. So when we look at this particular wave structure, we can see we're in currently, I have to take it down to the up to the weekly, sorry for the traders. We're in a wave 5 position, as you can see. Wave 5 position, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, wave 5 of a primary, that's in red and in circles, and then breaking that down, we're in a 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're in a wave 3 currently off a intermediate that's green and in brackets, and then 1, 2, 3 off a minor, which is pink, close to completion at the 100% level, 1976.9. We're not in any trades right now. We had expected our moves to come down and to kick us in, but unfortunately we were not kicked in, and our profit levels had been taken out at various levels. So that's that. So right now what we're looking for is the completion of this wave 5 of the minute degree, which is in blue and in circles in Roman numerals, therefore completing the wave 3 of the large wave degree. Once that's completed, we're going to look for a push down for the wave 4 to come down and then ride it up to complete the wave 5. Okay, fine. So we'll move to US oil. US oil, no change in terms of our wave count. As you can see where we are standing right now, we're in a wave 3 of an intermediate. As you can see, there is the 0.0 there, and looking at that, we're in a wave 3 of a primary, wave 3 of an intermediate, and a wave 3 of a minor, which is pink in brackets, breaking that down 1, 2, and a wave 3 of a minute degree. So you can see a lot of things happening at this level, 161.8. That's where the wave 3 minute degree extension will finish, and it's also the 100% level of the minor degree. So around that area we're comfortable and confident of things to occur. I'll make that a little bit bigger. So we're looking at 111.09 for a target. If we wanted to, we could even enter on this particular high here and ride it all the way up to the end and put our stop loss quite tight, just above this minute 1. That's what we could also possibly do. So that will be explained a little bit more later on with regards to this. Apologize, we are actually in a trade right now, and that's at 101.22 was our entry, and that was to ride this wave 3, that's the minute degree 3, all the way up, and we've got a target level as stated as the 111.09, which is the extension of the minute degree wave 3. Right, so when we break that down further into a further wave structure, we have the minute, which is in black and in brackets. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. We haven't put our ratios on, and we should. Right, so when I put on the ratios, so we can actually see the 100% level, prices hit the 100% level of the minute, right? We can actually take another entry on the retracement of the pullback of the wave 4 at this level. Yeah, we can take the pullback on the level 4 at 104.97 and ride it up. That's what we can actually do. Let's just move this around to give us a little bit more space for you traders. Okay, fine. So that's really what we're looking for. Let's move that down a bit. Right. So that's exactly how we're standing, and that would be quite interesting. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next chart, US30. US30 following the Dow Jones 30, and this is a CFD as explained to you. We're trying to follow through an ending diagonal pattern on a wave 5 of the primary. There's wave 4, there's wave 3, wave 4, and we've targeted wave 5 to end at this level here at 17338. Its subwaves is the intermediate 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 also to complete at that same level. Breaking that wave structure down, we've got a 1, 2, 3, and our wave 2, we had several entries at the 61.8 level. Price didn't reach that far. It hit it at 50% in between the 38% and suddenly has pushed up. We'd like to see if this trend line actually holds. This is the trend line from 3, from A to C, that level there, and later on we can tune that up and make sure that's a little bit tighter accordingly, and then we got a 0 to 2 and a 2 to 4 trend lines accordingly. But we're waiting for this to complete, and when it completes we're looking for the wave 4 to see what happens with that, how that plans out, but several days yet before it can move. Okay, let's move to the German 30, and here we are on the German 30. As you can see, we're in a wave 5 of a cycle degree. There's 3, there's 4, and we're in a wave 5, breaking that structure down. 1, 2, we're in a wave 3 of a primary degree that's red in circles, and its substructures is the intermediate 1 and 2 is completed, and a wave 3 right now in progression. We've got our targets taken here at 102.76 for the wave 3 of the intermediate to complete at this area. That structure, substructures are minor 1, 2, 3 has been completed, we could say. So wave 4 has come down at the 38.2 level, which is a good validation for us to enter now for a long position, which we're already in. If one wants to enter, one could still enter now at the break at the high of this at 149, and target level to be 161.0. I've got my target taken here right now for at this trade at 10148. So that will be sufficient for us. Currently our stop loss is at 9595. Okay, fine. So that's it for me today, traders. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank